Had a few questions recently about customizing the distressed badges collection. I'm in Adobe Illustrator here. The first thing you're going to want to do is open your layers panel. So go to Window, Layers, and just so you can see this a little better, I'm going to go to Panel Options and make these big. Top layer is an added texture layer. Next layer is Type. Below this are the frame elements, and there's the distressed ones right here and the clean ones right here. The clean ones will say clean. So just to add a little bit more visibility of what's going on, I'm going to put another layer down here with just a square shape. So you'll see this texture overlay is just a white layer of white texture. You can either color this the same as your background, or you can use a pathfinder to subtract out that texture. I've got a few videos on that. I won't show that in this video. So what we want to do here is we want to turn this into a clean line logo. We can just turn off that texture layer, but if I zoom in, you'll see this shape here still has a texture on it. So all we need to do here is turn off the visibility of these frame elements and turn on the visibility of the clean ones. Now you've got a clean line logo, and you can go in here with your text tool, highlight the text you want to change, and retype what you want. And you can also change the colors of everything. You can change the fonts, all sorts of things. If there's little design elements, you can move those around. But that's just a quick overview of how to easily edit the distressed badges collection. Thanks for watching.